guys. So today I'm very excited and I very love the Ninja Kids. Have you guys watched them before? Watch them right now if you haven't. You guys know that they're all super cool, and I wish to see them, but I can't. And I wish to see their toys, but I can't because every time when I want, my mommy is busy. And every time when I wait, she plays with Philip. So you guys, I have been deciding that you guys can watch a little surprise at the end of the video. And there's more surprises after that video. So if you watched that video before, make sure to comment down below, okay? So first, we are gonna do something. May your heart every weekend, every Christmas. Rozy. So you guys, I'm so happy that I got 56 likes, and I'm so happy. Oh, that's Rozy. Guys, do you want to pet her? Just pretend to pet her. Rozy, over here. Rozy, over here. Rozy. Oh my goodness. Oh my. You guys, sorry about that. Rozy's in my bedroom, lying down. She very loves me. So you guys, we are gonna start off with playing with Rozy for a bit. So if you guys really want to see Rozy, she's very, very cute. And her surname is Violet. Rozy Violet. Rozy Violet. So you guys, I'm very excited, but I'm a little bit sad because Rozy makes me remember about the other one. The other dog is called, his surname is Roger, and I very miss him. He's a boy, and if you guys are a boy, then you better see this. He reminds me about, Rozy reminds me about him so much, and I very miss him. Once at night, we lost him. He was disappeared. Someone got him and put him in a cage, and I very miss him. So you guys, first we're gonna start off with Rozy. Rozy, say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! She's so cute, guys. I can't even hold it. Philip, don't do that to Rozy. Philip, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Come. Say hi. Morning. 我们在爸爸位 and 我们没有在中国。 he's saying that we are not in China anymore and we are in Zimbabwe. Do you know that country? If you're watching me right now, subscribe and like. Okay, Philip, you can go, you can go, you can go, you can go. Rozy, 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 Rozy. Rozy. Oh, she's so cute. You guys look. Rozy, kiss me. No, don't kiss me. Just. Oh. She's so fluffy, guys. She's so fluffy. Oh, 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 look. She just. Oh. And yeah, how may you begin every Christmas? Pitching the loo, Paxton, Mala, Aston, Mala, Brighton, Mala. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! Don't, guys. Rozy, Rozy, look, look. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Say You guys, she just licked my face. E. No. Lick me. Lick me. Sick paw. Sick paw. Yay. Oh, yeah. Rozy, you can kiss my lips, okay? That's never okay to kiss. Guys, look. Rozy, don't you love them? Oh, you. Yes. Look, guys, we're playing a game. Shake my paw. Which one do you prefer? This one or this one? You prefer this one? Aww. You guys, this is one kind of dog game. So you put your hand and you guess in your mind which one she's gonna pick. And if you guess it right, then you win. And if you don't guess it right, then that means your dog wins or cat wins a point. Rozy very loves me. Rozy, which hand? I'm thinking the right one. This one, right? Right? Okay, good. Okay. Which one? You guessed this one? Okay, good. You guys, this is so fun. Rozy's like my favorite dog. She's only 1 year old. I'm her sister and Philip's his brother. And also my auntie is her auntie. And also my mom is her mom. And my dad is her dad. And of course, my brother. Haven't seen her yet. Oh, Rozy. I'm gonna copy. How does she even do this thing? Okay. No. You're so cute. Okay, guys. So, the next thing that we are gonna start off is watching my dream book. I've been waiting for this every time. So this is my China song. If you're Chinese, you better watch this. 人一大大，人人人，诗人大大心。And that's it. Okay, and the next dream is, Dear Santa, please may you bring me a cap. I've been wanting a cap for ages because my cap has been broken. I want so many Barbies. I already have so many Barbies, but I really love Barbies, so I still want more. And this is the monster that I want. I want a monster. It's good, but I want it to be furry so that it can hug me every time when I'm cold, and it can play with me, and it can play with Philip sometimes when he's crying. And also, he has 3 eyes because he can watch everything. If some mean people are coming, like if my dad, if some mean peoples are coming and there's still more mean people over there and there, then he will just hug me with his 4 fingers. He will just hug me with his 2 fingers at here, and then the other and the other 4 fingers will, and the other 4 fingers will just move them away. And the next dream is no more dreams. I wanted to show you more. Okay, you guys, this is the time you better watch this. So stay tuned. Bye. Okay, so you guys, hello, welcome to my channel. And also look, there's Rozy. Rozy's kind of jealous, I think. Something. Say hi to them. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Rozy. Say hi, Rozy. Rozy, say hi. Say Rozy. Rozy, say hi. Oh, she just licked both of my hands. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm just so